Here's how to play the Indiana Jones theme. I've arranged this for super easy guitar, as easy as we can make it anyway. If you like this and you want more movie themes, the link at the top of the description has a playlist of loads that I've done for both acoustic guitar and also piano on my Andy Piano YouTube channel. And I couldn't believe that I didn't have an Indiana Jones t-shirt. I couldn't find one. I don't even have a hat. So I got this t-shirt out. This is one that we sell. This is my merch. The link to a whole bunch of these are just under the video. But let me show you what we're going for in this tutorial first of all. Alright, so we're doing this in the key of D major, and it's kind of fun that this would be da 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 da, then the G, then an A major. It's kind of the 1, 4 and 5. You can't beat the 1, 4 and 5. It's just so anthemic. I'll link to a tab in the top of the description as well. All these links will be super findable down there. We have 4, 0, 2, 3. This is kind of the D major scale. Really good thing to know. D major scale in open position, and we have 4, 0, 2, 3, 2, 4, 0. And it's a good thing to know. I'm kind of assigning a finger a fret from fret 2, 3, and 4, and that should cover most things that we're going to play. So when it's fret 3, it's actually finger, or fret 4, it's finger 3, fret 3, finger 2, fret 2, finger 1. That theme again, bars 1, 2, and 3. 4, 0, 2, 3. 2, 4, 0. Then 2, 0, 2, 3. I'm just using alternate picking as well. Down, up, regardless of the note that's played. I'm just going alternate. Then the end of bar 4, 0, 2, 3 into bar 5, 0, 2. Let's make sure we've got that because there's a bit of repetition from here. 2, 3. Repetition. That's 0, 2, 3 on string 1. Then we have the second fret at string 3 and string 1. The tab's got some kind of big accords in there. I'm simplifying it from that. 2, 2, 2, 0. And then it's repeated again. Repetition. And then at the end, my way of playing this part, which I always loved as a kid. I loved this as a kid. It's fantastic. I love it now. But yeah, this bit's much harder, much faster, but a really cool exercise. That is 5 on string 1 to string 3, 7, 6, 7. There's a string skip there, which is a good thing to be aware of. And then 8, 7, 8. To get the speed of that, keep the motion really small and very light. The lighter I play that, the quicker I can do it. At the end of that, we do that same shape from the 2nd string at 8th fret to 10, 9, 10. And that's 8, 10, 12. One final playthrough from the beginning, nice and slow. 2, 3. Thanks for watching. Check out this playlist here to see more movie themes arranged for acoustic guitar, and you'll also find a link to my new 10-day course on there as well, available exclusively at andyguitar.co.uk, along with loads of other exclusive videos and courses.